The skyline is a dazzling fusion of towering skyscrapers and floating holographic billboards. Hover cars zip through the air on magnetic levitation lanes, while below, pedestrians navigate crowded streets with augmented reality or lenses overlaying digital information on the real world. Agentic AI assistants whisper directions and notifications directly into users' neural implants. A massive digital sign flashes, "Welcome to 2026, the year of augmented intelligence." Cut 2. And Quantum Labs, Conference Room, EAYDR. Elena Vasquez, 38, brilliant neuroscientist and lead researcher, stands at the head of a holographic table. She's presenting to a group of executives and scientists. Her eyes glow faintly from her embedded art display. Elena enthusiastically, "Ladies and gentlemen, we've done it. Our hybrid quantum AI system has achieved quantum advantage. No longer simulations, real-time molecular modeling for drug discovery. Cancer treatments personalized in hours, not years." The room erupts in applause. Among the attendees is Alex Rivera, 32, a skeptical journalist with a cybernetic arm from a past accident. He's here undercover, investigating rumors of ethical breaches. Alex leaning forward, impressive, "Doctor, but what about the risks? Agentic AI making autonomous decisions in biotech, isn't that playing God?" Elena smiles confidently. Alex, "These agents aren't rogue. They're orchestrated multi-agent systems, governed by human oversight. They collaborate like a symphony, accelerating breakthroughs in synthetic biology and bioprinting organs on demand." Cut 2. Text. City streets, night train slicked streets reflect neon lights. Alex walks hurriedly, his AR lenses scanning faces. Suddenly, his personal AI assistant, a voice in his head named Leo Learning Intelligent Assistant, speaks. LIAVO alert. Incoming encrypted message. From anonymous source. Claims Quantum Labs is hiding something about neuromorphic implants. Alex stops under a glowing ad for preemptive cybersecurity shields. Protect your mind from quantum threats. Alex whispering, "Play it." A holographic projection appears, grainy footage of test subjects with brain-machine interfaces experiencing glitches, visions of alternate realities bleeding into the real world. Alex, this changes everything. Cut 2. And Elena's apartment night. Elena relaxes in a smart home powered by Edge AI. Robotic assistants prepare dinner. She interfaces with her domain-specific AI model for neuroscience. Elena 2 AI. Run simulation. Integrate neuromorphic computing with quantum encryption for secure brain uploads. The AI responds with visuals of human consciousness digitized, immortal. But then, an alert. System breach detected. Elena, what? That's impossible. Our post-quantum cryptography is unbreakable. On screen, a message from Alex. We need to talk. Your tech is leaking into the real world. Intercut with the end.